Jitampai. Today I'm going to talk about my research project. The topic of my research project is internal factors causing the failure of the e-commerce. We all know that in this decade, e-commerce plays a big role in business. In the past, the luxury brands such as Chanel only sold its product in physical stores. But nowadays, Chanel has become an online seller. When discussing successful and unsuccessful e-commerce businesses, there are many companies that have executed their e-commerce business very successfully. Yet, there are also a lot of companies that have not. Therefore, my research project will explore the factors that cause the failure of the e-commerce. In particular, the cause of the failure of the e-commerce from internal factors. In my research project, I present three internal factors that cause failure of the e-commerce, which are poor management, poor financial management, and poor human resource management. The purpose of this study is to learn about internal factors that can cause e-commerce business to fail. Another objective of this study is to provide information of this topic for newcoming or current online sellers to become a case study to perform business and avoid the possibility of failure. Especially, the study will attempt to examine internal factors that affect the failure of the e-commerce and how and why these factors influence this failure. This research project will use a survey to gather data because I think surveys are the best tools in order to get optimal results for this research project. The sample of population is selected from around the world. I will select sample population based on the characteristics that qualify from this study. The total of sample population is 400, which is then divided to four groups, which are small, medium, large, and enterprise. Each group will be divided equally. After I have a list of the sample, the server will be sent to them via internet. Then, when I receive the completed surveys, I will turn it to data for data analysis. Next, the result from the research will be discussed. I will interpret the finding by evaluating the hypothesis and research questions, discussing expected results, discussing how the results compare to previous findings in the literature, and by briefly discussing the limitation of this particular study. Finally, a recommendation will be presented for further work. Thank you.